Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome. It's free and very easy to install. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to go to the Microsoft Edge browser, and we're going to open that, and we're just going to type in Chrome. And then we're just going to click on the option here where it says Chrome Download. Just click on that. And then it just takes you to the Google Chrome page, and just click on the big Download Chrome button, and that'll take you to another page. Now, Google Chrome might automatically download, or you might have to just click the Download Chrome manually. I usually select that, as often it doesn't automatically download. And once that's downloaded, you can just close this page and go to File Explorer and your download section, or wherever it's downloaded to. As you can see, I've already downloaded it before, but you just want to run this download, so just double click on it and then just click yes if it asks you, and that'll just pretty much start downloading the official install file online, and it'll also automatically do the installation for you. So they've made it nice and easy. There's no complicated steps to install this. It's just a matter of clicking next, install, and that's it. So I'll just let that finish and I'll come back. Now that the download's complete, it's just busy installing. Once this finishes installing, it should just automatically open up. And there you go. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I'll try and help you out. And subscribe for more helpful videos. I'll see you next time.